On Thursday, the Ministry of Home Affairs handed over the Udhampur terror case to the National Investigation Agency, even as homage was paid to the martyrs in the attack. A team of 5 to 6 members of the NIA has reached Jammu for investigations. Headed by the IG Sanjeev Kumar Singh, the team is likely to move to Jammu court for transit remand of Naved and bring him to Delhi for further interrogation.
It's very clear that this terrorist belongs to Pakistan, though he has given conflicting statements.
The Udhampur terror strike saw 2 heavily armed terrorists from Pakistan ambush a convoy of BSF personnel. In the ensuing firing, 2 constables and a militant were killed. The BSF has refuted claims that there was any violation of standard operating procedures by the force during the incident and has asserted that the forum of exchange of information and intelligence between all security agencies working in these areas was fine.
इनपुट कोई स्पेसिफिक इस तरह कोई इनपुट नहीं थी कि इसमें कोई होने वाला है. करीब 20 साल से इस इलाके में इस तरह की कोई घटना नहीं हुई थी.
In the wake of the 2 recent incidents in Gurdaspur and Udhampur, where it is reasonably clear that terrorists came from across the border, the BSF has kept realigning its assets and manpower. DGBSF also added that there was no specific input on the attack. He praised his 2 Jawans who were martyred, and BSF Jawans Constable Rocky and Subendu were paid tributes at the BSF headquarters. IGBSF Rakesh Sharma, who was head of the team, remembered and praised them.
Constable Rocky, जो कि नव युवक जवान था हमारा और उसने बहुत ही डेयरिंग काम किया है. कांस्टेबल शुभेंद्र रॉय, उसने भी कोशिश की कि कुछ एक्शन किया जाए, लेकिन क्योंकि फायर इतना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम था कि उनको भी गोली लगी.
Later, the bodies of the martyrs were sent to their homes in Haryana and West Bengal, where they were cremated with full honours. Family members say they are proud of Rocky's sacrifice.
उसका सपना था सर कि मैं इसमें जाऊंगा सर, आर्मी में जाऊंगा सर, मुझे फौजी बनना है सर. उसको शुरू से ही का वो था, लगाव था, तभी वो इतनी जल्दी भर्ती हो गया सर.
A case under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Arms Act and various sections of the IPC has been registered against the arrested Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist Mohammed Naved Yaqoob, who has claimed that he hails from Faisalabad in Pakistan. Naved told investigators that 12 days ago he entered Jammu with his accomplice Momin and had been staying in the jungles. Naved has also stated that 2 months before Eid, he had tried to infiltrate with his associates but had failed because there was no guide. The NIA is hopeful of eliciting more information on their terror module with these interrogations. With inputs from Sanjeet Khajuria and Nandita Dagar in Udhampur, Poonam Agarwal, DD News.